Hello, beautiful people. My name is Julie Lewis, Realtor with the Plowman team, and I'm here to give you a beautiful tour of this family home at 8 Longfellow Crt in Whitby. Come check it out. Here we are on the main floor, and the first thing that you're going to notice are these amazing engineered hardwood floors. And when you walk through here, you'll be greeted by a beautiful living room with some nice large windows that actually flow through to the dining room, which is absolutely lovely. And if you follow me, we're going to go through the kitchen, which is quite special in itself, with very large windows looking over your backyard. You have some backsplash, some Cosmos countertop. It's absolutely perfect for you and your family. Now, I want you to check out the rest of the main floor because we also have a family room with wood-burning fireplace that walks out to your backyard. We have a laundry room, a powder room, and access to your 2-car garage. So check that out, and then I'm going to meet you upstairs. Upstairs is also stunning. You have 3 bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, and over here in the primary, there's also a 5-piece bathroom and a walk-in closet. So I really want you to check that out. And then please meet me downstairs. The basement has some amazing space for you. We have 2 bedrooms, a powder bathroom, a rec room, and some additional space to entertain. You're gonna absolutely love this deep lot backyard with a saltwater heated pool. You have this amazing patio space that walks over to your hot tub. It's an oasis for you and your family. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful home with me. If you liked what you saw, please give a call at the number above for your private viewing. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest homes for sale.